going to be making for you a delicious snack attack. It's going to be the strawberry and apple roll-ups, and you will be needing a blender and a dehydrator for this recipe. So I'm just going to get started and show you how it's done. And first of all, I'm going to come over here to the Vitamix Ascent 3500i series. This is one of the latest ones to be released into Australia, and it's fantastic with its new smart technology, and it looks great. So what I've got in here is 3 cups of strawberries. They're frozen. I've got about 1.5 apples. I've taken the core out, and I've got a nice big chunk of lemon, which really does bring out the flavor of the actual roll-up itself. You don't need any added sugars, so that's always a good, a good win for those snacks in the lunchbox. So I've got everything in here. I'll take the lid cap off, and we'll get started. Alright, it's nice and smooth. It tastes delicious. If you just wanted to use all frozen ingredients with that, you could have a sorbet alone, but I've blended it till it's nice and smooth. So I'm gonna put this one away. Pop him to the side a little. Alright, and it already smells delicious. So we've got a nice shiny consistency in the jar there. So a nice trick with pouring out onto the Teflon trays. I've got the plastic tray here, BPA free, and then we've got the Teflon sheets. These are fantastic because they're non-stick and they also don't stain. I've made the roll-up, you can see over here, and no red actually was left on the sheet, which is fantastic. And I don't use a spatula. I found a really handy way of doing it. So I simply pour it out nice and neat. And then I tap it a little bit just to get rid of the bubbles, as many as you can. And then I simply just roll it around for a little bit. And this, I find, the easiest way you could do this with your raw flax wraps. But this is perfect for the roll-ups because you're not getting a messy spatula everywhere. It's pretty even, and you really want a nice thick roll-up. So when it dehydrates, it will crack a little bit. Don't be alarmed, that's completely normal. So I'm going to be using the Sedona Express today, and it is my favorite one because it is so compact. So I've only got a small kitchen at home, so I love using it. And it's got the see-through window here, one fan. I won't pour them out all today, but I will use most of the trays because I have made quite a bit of mixture there, which is good. More roll-ups for me. So he's going straight in, and I'll close it up. And I've set it just to the fast mode. Don't use the fast and the raw or the TST function. Just use fast mode, 55 degrees Celsius for about 8 hours, but keep an eye on them because sometimes they might dry a lot earlier. And I simply press start. And let me tell you, the smell of your kitchen is it just smells like you've got candles burning everywhere with strawberry and apple. So there you go, you don't have to buy any candles for your kitchen. But now I'm going to show you the one that I made before. He's just chilling out on top. Not as shiny anymore, but definitely delicious. So I like to peel back the Teflon sheet a little bit. It's making me nervous. And look at that. Delicious, it smells amazing. And if you do remember the strawberry roll-ups as a kid, they taste exactly the same. And there's no additives, it's just purely frozen fruit, bit of lemon. I'm gonna take a nice photo of it so I won't eat it, but I know they taste amazing. So happy dehydrating.